Program number 27. Given a series that stores the area of some states in kilometer square. Write code to find out the biggest and smallest three areas. Biggest and smallest three areas from the given series. Given series has been created like this. SCR1 equal to PD dot series. This the data has given. What you will find? Biggest three areas and smallest three areas. So first, this is the random value is given. So these random values we have to sort it. So sort values ascending equal to false. Then what you will get it? Descending order wise. So three biggest area, from three biggest area we can get it, and S dot head 3 because from this starting, then you will get it. Now three smallest area through the tell functions 3. Now second method, what you can do, sort values in the ascending order. So whenever in the ascending order you will get it, so then small to big. So small to big means what happened? First S1 dot tell 3. So tell 3, this is for biggest area, we will get it because biggest area is in the down, and smallest area through the head we will call. We will see second method also. First we will see in the first method, otherwise you will confuse. First sort value ascending equal to false. See, three biggest area, look at here. Now three smallest area. Okay, now we will call second method. So first method we will comment, then it will not display. From here it is second method. Second method ascending equal to true. Look at three biggest area. Okay, now three smallest area. This is the correct method. 345, 450, 890. Now this one. If you want to call to the print command, then you will understand that print S you will call. So then it will come to the descending order wise, and here if in the second method if you will call print S1, so then what happened? It will come to the ascending order. So data is lengthy, that's why I didn't call as a print command. If you want to call, so then you can call, then easily you will understand.